How to poke someone on Facebook. Let's get started. Today we are talking about something that's making a surprise comeback, the Facebook poke. Remember that? What exactly is a poke? Well, it's simple yet baffling. You poke someone, they poke you back. It's the digital equivalent of a nudge or a wink, minimal interaction, but somehow it was fun, right? A way to flirt or just say, hey, I'm thinking about you. But as with many fads, the era of poke began to fade. Those random poke do notifications started to feel more annoying than amusing, and in 2011, Facebook decided to, well, let's say, remove the poke. It was hidden away from the labyrinth of settings, out of sight, for many of us out of mind. To be clear, the poke never completely disappeared. It was more like it was sent to the back of the digital classroom facing the wall in virtual sim. But guess what? It's 2024 and pokes are back in the spotlight. This time, Facebook is giving pokes a new lease on life. They are now part of your search results for people you know. That's right, a nudge from the past popping up right when you are looking up an old friend or a new acquaintance. So go ahead and open your Facebook. Once you land to your homepage, at the top right corner you can find the search icon, click on it. Now over here you will find the option of pokes, click on it. Now at the top you will see the search box, over there type in the name of the person whom you want to poke. After the username of the person appears, you'll see the option of poke at the right corner of it, just click on it. With that I have just poked this person. Well, this is how you can poke someone on Facebook. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tidbits and digital throwbacks. Until next time, keep poking around in the world of social media.